Are you right-handed? Are you sure?
No, try with Joe.
As long as you have chosen. Oh, she's already chosen.
Yeah.
Step back in your corner.
Get ready. I'll be your head.
Far enough, yeah. Just so you can get a running start.
This is really good.
Alright, ladies! This is a fight to the death. Best 2 out of 3 rounds wins. This is round 1. Aim for that on top, not the one in the cage. Ready? Fight!
Yes.
Lost your head, lady. You almost had hers. It was barely hanging on. Did you the winner round 1? Yes. Well, this might be the other corner. I'm sorry, lady. You can get her this time. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come on, right here, lady. Aim and push. Ready? Round 2. Fight.
Oh.
Lady,
You got me.
I'm sorry to tell you this. She got your head already. I know.
This was like not working.
You must be quicker. Or faster. Okay, harder. Look right here. Look. Push right there. Just like that.
Okay, I got
Jab.
All right, come on, baby. Let's go.
I got you. I'm
Do
your
it.
head.
Fight.
Oh.
Harder. Come on. There you go. Harder. Come on. Push me. Oh, see, look. There you go.
Now you're off.
Wrestle.
The ladies, your head was gone. Right. Together. You got me, lady. I'm sorry. You are the winner, my lady. That's what you won. Except for the rope. Drop your weapon. Drop your weapon over here. Give me that. Stand there. Let's wait for a moment. I'll let you know when you're done. Alright, you're done. You've been eating now. Thank you, ladies.